Good morning everyone, it is Saturday today and I'm just getting ready for today. I'm off to our family's friends for lunch. The reason I decided to film this part of Get Ready With Me is because I'm gonna be trying out the Erborian CC cream for the very first time. It's the CC cream that I've mentioned in my Beautiful Vloggers meetup vlog slash haul. Everyone's raving about it, so I really want to see what the hype is all about. But yeah, I thought I would try it on camera and give you my first impressions. This is how it looks like in case you haven't seen it yet. I have it in the shade Clear. Here it is. Apparently it is white, which is not usual for CC creams. Usually they're tinted, but this one's supposed to match your skin tone when you put it on. It goes on really nicely. It's like a cream basically. I'm not expecting it to cover a huge deal. It just kind of like blurred out my skin. I'm literally amazed. Oh, I love this. It's like so silky on my skin. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a really good hydrating cream without the thickness, and it almost feels like a primer, you know, that like silky softness that the primer gives you, but it's not too silky soft, if you know what I mean. It just feels nice. And yeah, just my skin from like close up and far away, it looks blurred. I now know what everyone is talking about. Please don't mind the mess behind me, but I just brought you closer to the window so you can see how it looks like with natural lighting, because I was sitting in a bit of a shadow. Yeah, this is how my skin looks like after I apply the CC cream. I'll obviously be testing it out like properly, and then I'll write more about it on my blog. I still want to see how it wears throughout the day, if it's gonna stay on, if it's gonna like melt away. I took some before and after photos, and obviously the lighting is a bit different, but even here you can like see the difference. You see what it does? It's amazing. The only thing I am slightly worried about upon closer inspection is that it's maybe a little bit too pink toned for me. I have a really strong yellow undertone, like my skin is quite yellow, and this one definitely has like a pink undertone. So I need to research if there's any shades that are maybe better for me. But from like a perfecting point of view, it's top notch. So I woke up to this today. I mean, it looks pretty, but it's all fun and games until you realize you don't own any proper winter boots yet. I may not have winter boots, but I'm about to have a new camera because I'm off to Ljubljana now to pick it up, and I'm so excited. I'm officially broke, and I've never been happier to say that. I have my new camera. I have a box over here, another bag over here. Before I show you what's inside, I also have another big announcement. Yesterday I also went to see a presentation on the photography trips that a photographer from Slovenia is organizing next year. There's 4 trips planned currently: Iceland, Oman, Alaska, and Namibia, which is the destination I was interested in. There were already a lot of people signed up, and he's only taking 12 people with him. So when I came home at midnight, I decided to drop him an email, and I signed up for a photography trip to Namibia. It got confirmed, so I'm in. I'm so happy I could cry right now. This is something that I've been wanting to do ever since I was a child. I've always wanted to go to Africa and take photos of the tribes and landscapes, and yeah, it's happening. The whole trip is going to be centered around taking photos. We'll be staying longer at locations. We'll be getting up for sunrise to shoot. We'll be shooting at sunset. It's definitely going to be my most out of comfort zone kind of trip. I do love like adventure traveling, see all the things, do all the things. However, at the end of the day, I normally go sleep at like a 3-star and up hotel. So sleeping in tents is gonna be a new experience for me, and so we'll be traveling with complete strangers without knowing a single person. None of my family or friends are coming with me. Normally I travel with them. I've done one solo trip to Lisbon, but never have I gone somewhere with like complete strangers. I am going to meet them beforehand, so we're meeting in a couple of weeks time, I think, to go through everything and to meet each other. That's the big news, guys. 2019 is gonna be an epic travel year, a year of adventures. First New Zealand, then Namibia. We'll try to squeeze some other mini trips in between as well, and maybe do another big one at the end of the year. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. Currently my bank account is empty. I'm gonna try to put out a lot of content for you as well, a lot more travel content, take the whole thing up a notch when it comes to quality and useful information. Let me now show you my new camera. I'm just gonna basically do a quick unboxing. Here is the package that I got everything in. I bought the body, the 24 to 70mm lens, and also an FTZ mount adapter so that my older lenses will work with this camera as well. I'm not gonna go into the nitty-gritty tech specs because most of you are probably not interested in that. Here it is, my Nikon Z6. This is the camera body. I'm gonna film a close-up for you as well. Then in this box there's also a whole bunch of add-ons that came with a camera, the battery, then there's a battery charger with a charging cable, then we have a USB cable to plug the camera into the laptop in case you want to, you know, transfer photos like that, and I think you can also charge it like that. Then we have a Nikon camera strap, this, which I have no idea what it is. Then we have a Nikon, however it's pronounced, Z24 to 70mm lens with f4. Also inside is a little pouch for the lens. Here it is, another new baby. It looks so much more fancy schmancy than my other lenses. It's very like sleek. I like it. Then with the lens you also get a lens cap. Looks like this. And in the last box we have the adapter. This is how the adapter looks like. You take off the protection from both sides. One goes into the camera, one is for the lens. The reason I bought this camera specifically is basically my old camera is D5300, which is a very basic DSLR. So I've been wanting to upgrade for a couple of years now, but I couldn't really find a camera that would fit my needs, I guess. Being able to do really good video, which Nikon was really shit at, I just have to say it. But I also didn't want to move over to Canon or Sony because that would mean that I have to start my kit from scratch, buy all the new lenses, and that would cost a lot more money. This kit was a bit over 3,000 euros, and if I had to buy the new lenses as well, it would cost me like another 2,000. So yeah, I was hoping that I could stick with Nikon, and yeah, they finally made it happen. This camera is great for photo and video. It's also a mirrorless camera. The only thing that I'm worried about is the fact that it doesn't have a flip out screen, which, you know, is very handy if you're a YouTuber, but I'll try to solve the situation by connecting it to my laptop, or I'm gonna buy an external screen. This is the screen on the Nikon Z6. It just goes like up and down, but it doesn't open like sideways and turn around. But anyways, let's continue with the unboxing, because there's actually another thing in the parcel that I got. Because I pre-ordered the camera a couple of months ago, there was a surprise waiting for me inside, which is the XQD card, the 64GB one that you get for free if you have pre-ordered the camera. And this honestly is amazing for me because this card costs almost 200 euros. Yeah, that's how much the cards for this camera cost, which is quite a step up from the usual SD cards I used to use, which cost about 20 euros. That's a quick unboxing of what was inside the kit parcel. But now let me also quickly show you all the add-ons that my dad got me. Thank you, Dad. In here we have another XQD card, the 64GB ones, because you always need to have two just in case. And also I shoot and film a lot and I run out of space very quickly. Then I got an additional battery, because again you need at least two batteries, especially with mirrorless cameras, which use up the batteries quickly. So to be honest, I might need to get the third one. Then for my memory cards, I also have a hard case, because I currently don't have one. If a 20 euro card breaks, it's not that big of a deal, but if a card that costs 200 euros breaks, that's not great, you know. Then my dad also got this universal charger for all Nikon batteries, because now my dad is getting my old camera, so we're both gonna have Nikon batteries and we're going to New Zealand together with my mom as well. But yeah, he bought this to charge our batteries in the car, I believe he said. We'll see what else I need once I start using it. But yeah, if you are interested in anything regarding this camera, in case you're planning to buy one yourself, just leave me questions below and I'll try to answer them. But now, before I go spend the day with my new boyfriend, I also have a surprise for you. It's not Benji, I'm not giving Benji to anyone, but just look at him. He's been sleeping like that on my bed for like the past half an hour. He's so cute. Okay, now let's get to the exciting part for you. Basically, this case that everyone is always asking me about is from a company called Berga. I've had this case for about, I don't know, 6 months now, I believe. And I love the design, I love how sturdy it is. Both the case and my phone are still in one piece. They actually offered to send me 2 more cases to try out, and because I don't really need 2, I just wanted to try out 1 more to, you know, switch things up a little bit. I asked them if I could give the other one away and they agreed. Before I tell you what you can win, let me show you the case that I got, because it's really pretty. So this is how the phone cases come packaged. Then you open it up and you have a case inside. The design I went for this time is this really nice pink gold marble. And they have actually also sent me this charging cable, and it's rose gold and it looks so pretty as well. I love that the cable is made out of braided material, which bends and doesn't like open up. Now let's go to the giveaway part. One of you will be able to win a phone case of your choice. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is to go to berga.com and, you know, look through all the phone cases, choose your favorite one, and in a comment down below this video let me know the name of the design of the case you want to have, whether you want a snap case or a tough case. A snap one is thinner, it's the one that I have. And then also please let me know which phone you're gonna use the phone case on, so I can forward the company all the right information and get it shipped out for you. I'll choose the winner completely randomly, let's say on a Saturday, 1st of December, so you have time until the 1st of December to enter this giveaway, and I'll announce the winner in my next vlog on Sunday, the 2nd of December. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for all of you. Let your friends know about the giveaway as well, they can enter too. Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And then for those of you who aren't going to win, and just for anyone that wants to purchase phone cases either for gifts for others, I also have a 15% discount for you that is valid until the end of January. So at checkout you can use the code sandra.P15. All the information regarding the discount and also the giveaway will be written down in the description box below this video, so check that out in case I was a bit all over the place. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking.